well, I'm back in the shop today. Don't have much going on tonight. The kids are at the daycare until 9 o'clock tonight. So, I'm here by myself. Got nothing else better to do. So I'm going to pull the interior out of the Camaro. Because I got to get it ready to put the subframe connectors in. Because they're through the floor subframe connectors. And honestly, I'm just tired of my headliner sagging on my head every time I get in the car. Drives me crazy. So as much as I hate a car not having a headliner in it, I'm going to pull the headliner out. But if I have a little extra time, then I'll get back on the rear end. I got my pinion shims from Summit last weekend. So, over there in the corner, see that red box? It's got my third member in it, so I can pull that back out and see if I can't get the pinion shimmed right so that'll work and I can stick it in the housing and put that all together. But I'll be back later. Alright, I'm back now. I got the interior out, got the carpet out, got it vacuumed out, so it's all ready to start making these subframe connectors work. Who gives a crap if they're for a 4th gen? But this is what we're looking at right now. Let me get over here around. All the carpet out. Because they're going to come through the floor right in this area. Get out of the way. And then it'll go from here to here, and then the cage will come down on top. Well, I just showed you that and didn't have the camera on it. But anyway, let's try that again. It'll come through this area here. And then there's a bar that'll go from here to here. Right there. And then the cage will sit on top of it. On both sides. And then the other part will be under and goes up to the front. But took the stupid headliner out because it was sagging, and it was sagging because it had a rat's nest in it. Imagine that. But let me take my makeshift dome light down. Gotta love magnets. But there we are. Making some kind of headway for the first time in, I don't know, forever. But somebody told me we needed to get my car running so we could start doing some shit. So we're doing shit. But it's time for me to go get the chitlins. So, until next time.